Hello, welcome to session number 2, still with Firda. Session number 2, Hello, welcome to session number 2, still with me, Firda Basbet. In session number 2, we will learn about how to work with Smart PLS 3 software. To remind you, in session number 1, we have learned about what is PLS SEM, when to use PLS, the minimum sample requirement, PLS SEM path modeling, and using Smart PLS for specifying the structural model. We learn about specifying the measure model, collecting and preparing data, and now time to work with Smart PLS 3 software. So before you're working with Smart PLS software, so you have to download the software. The student software is available free of charge at this address. The student version offers practically all functionalities of the full version, but is restricted to data sets with a maximum of 100 observations. For a data set larger than 100 observations, you should use the professional version Smart PLS, which is available at the 30-day trial version. At this, also download the pay software. Okay. Download 30-day free trial at the following address, and you can use the 30-day free trial. I will show you how to download the 30-day free trial. Go to your browser and then copy and paste or type this address and go to 30-day free trial. Download here. So download the software into your computer. Now we have downloaded the software into your computer. What we need next is download the data. We need a data that serves as the basis for running the model. The data we will use is a reputation model that can be downloaded in the download section at the following address, URL, this. So click on the save target, as name it as you want to have it, and then to save the data to a folder on your hard drive, and then close it. You need to go to this address, the smartpls.com, and then go to the corporate reputation model and download this into your specific folder. Let's start to download the data. So you go to this address and then download the sample project here and then save it in your folder. Now you have downloaded the Smart PLS software, and you also have the data ready to be run by Smart PLS 3. And then now run the Smart PLS software by clicking on the desktop icon that is available after the software installation on your computer, here or here in your desktop, and then click the icon to run the software. This is how the Smart PLS software look like after I open it in my browser. Here, click on the icon and it will appear Smart PLS software just like this. To create a new project after running the Smart PLS 3, click on File and then create a new project. File and then create a new project. I will show you how to do this in the software. Click on File and then create a new project. You will be asked to give the name of your project. So the project name must not be empty. So type any project or corporate reputation project. And then click OK. Again, type a name for the project into the name box, corporate reputation model, then click OK. After clicking OK, the new project is created and appears in the Projects Explorer window that is in the upper left below the menu bar. Smart PLS, and then here corporate reputation, and it will appear here. Okay. Next, you need to assign a data set to the project. In our case, corporate reputation data.csv. You downloaded previously from the internet. To do so, click an import information button label, double click to import data. Find and highlight your data folder and click open. I will show you how to do that. So here's the example. So file, create new project, and then you type corporate reputation model, click OK. Here, double click on this one, and then go to your folder, corporate reputation data. We have downloaded the data, and then click here, and then open. OK, click OK. Okay, it will appear like this. Software will give you information about sample size, missing data, and then mean, median, minimum and maximum, standard deviation, everything about the data. To create a model, double-click on the Simple Mode in the Project Explorer window, and Smart PLS will open the Graphical Modeling window on the right, where you can create a path model. So here's how to do it. Click on this, and then the Corporate Reputation Model, a window that you will create a model in this blank space. It's appear on the left-hand side. Suppose you have a model based on theory that like this. The goal of the model is to explain the effect of corporate reputation on customer satisfaction and customer loyalty. Corporate reputation is measured by using two dimensions: company competence and company likability. This model is built by Helm, Eggert, and Ganfeld in 2010. So let's create this model into the Smart PLS 3 software. First, you need to create 4 constructs using this latent variable. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go to this one to make it a better arrangement, and then connect every construct with this one. Go to that, this, go, and then go to that. Here to this one, connect to this, and then here connect to this one. Next is name the construct with the name we defined before. So rename. Okay. And then click OK. The next construct is like. And then click OK. Next is customer satisfaction. Click OK. And then customer loyalty. Click OK. To assign the indicators, go to this windows, the indicators windows, and drag this into the construct, and then release. It will change the color of the construct. Again, indicator number 2, drag it until to the construct, and then continue to every indicators in the construct. Continue after until all the indicators goes into the construct. All 3 constructs have reflective measurement model as indicated by the arrow pointing from the construct to the indicators. You also can assign indicator alignment by clicking on right click on the model, and then align indicator top or left or bottom or right to make it looking good or nice to see. Make sure you save the work by clicking File and then Save. Now we have created the model. This is the end of session number 2. If you have any question, don't hesitate to call me or to write on your piece of paper, and then let's discuss about that. So thank you very much. This is the end of session number 2, and then we are ready for the session number 3, the path model estimation. See you in the session number 3.